my goodness. I feel like Image waiting for Paris to come home from shows. When is Raspberry going to come back? I can't wait to see whether he's got any ribbon. Me too. It would be so exciting if he got first place for his first show. I know. My best friend got first place. I'm sure he will. He's such a talented horse. I mean, pony. Oh well, we'll have to wait and see. There he is! What? Where? Let me see. Where is he? KitKat, I can't see him. Where did he go? Where? Oh my goodness, he's being unloaded in the horse box. Look, he's got something tied to his halter. Oh my gosh, I think it's a ribbon! Oh my goodness, but we can't make out whether it's first or second or third. We're gonna have to wait, but I can't wait. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh, we have to be calm. Ah, this is so exciting! I can see Archie being unloaded. He looks just as grumpy as ever, but oh my gosh, Raspberry's got something definitely tied to his halter. Oh my gosh, KitKat, where? I can't see him. Wait. Oh my gosh, I see him. He's walking towards us. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting! Hey, you lot, weren't you just talking yesterday about how you need to be calm and measured around him? Right. Oh, hush, Admiral. This is far too exciting. It's his first show. We have to be there to support him. Especially me. His best friend always has to be there to support him. Well done, Raspberry. You were amazing today. Wait here. I'll go sort out your stall. Oh my goodness, Raspberry! How did it go? I see the ribbon. Tell me, did you get first, second, or third? I have to know. I've been dying. Hi, KitKat. It's first place. It was so fun. I did my class and I got a really good clear round. And, well, Archie will tell you the rest. Okay, forget what I said about not being excited. Oh my gosh, Raspberry, that is radical. Thanks, guys. First place, first show? Oh my gosh, this is just amazing, bro. What? Oh, bro, it's like a slang for brother. But we're not brothers. I know, but us horses kind of just throw it around pointlessly, you know? Okay. Anyways, Raspberry, that's amazing. I can't believe you got first place. Did you enjoy doing? Thanks, Splash. And yes, I did enjoy it. It was a hunter round, so it was kind of focused on style, which is better for me because I haven't quite got the hang of speed jumping, you know. Whoa, bestie, that is amazing. Oh my gosh, I need to spread the word. Tigger, you need to tell the horses down the bottom paddocks that Raspberry has gotten first place. My best friend, you might add. In fact, you must add, he is my best friend. And my best friend is a super horse. Oh my gosh, this is just so exciting. Okay, go Tigger, scram. Come on, go. Everybody needs to know. Oh, gee, does the cat really have to spread the word? Why couldn't one of the dogs do it? Look, that dog looks sensible enough. Cats are faster. Don't question, Tigger. Anyway, I think I've got to go back to my stall. Michelle's walking out of the stable now. It was good seeing you guys. Well done, bestie. I can't believe you got first place. That's just amazing. Yeah, that's pretty incredible. Well done, Raspberry. Thanks, guys. Ah, this is a nice stall, overlooking the tack room. At the end, I've got Midgie there, lots of friends, big spacious stall. Time for some downtime after a show. Hi there, pal. Oh dear. I just hope you know that the judging was terrible then. Like, if we'd been judged by FEI World Cup judges, then I would have come out on top. I totally didn't get a low score because I bit my rider and, well, kind of did a few leapy in the air things. Right, Archie. Now, everybody's all over you, but this fame isn't going to last long, okay? So just be prepared. Archie's going to take your spot. Because you can be sure I'm not going to let a muffin take my spot. Archie, why do you hate me so much? What have I done? What do you think? I am the World Cup horse here. I'm the amazing one. You turn up here, take my spot. All the horses are all over you. You've got KitKat as a best friend. Splash likes talking to you. All the horses are gossiping about you. What do you think? You're jealous of me. But why? I mean, I'm not taking anything. They can still be your friends. Everybody's still, I don't know. Well, I'm not exactly going to say they like you because, well, you've been a little bit nasty. But maybe if you were just a little bit nicer and a bit more honest, they'd still like you, and we could both be, great horses together. But the point is, we could both be great. We could both, go to shows and win ribbons and stuff. Why does it have to be one or the other? Because my mum was unchallenged when she was the dressage champion at her stable, okay? No, that's not it. Because you're a nasty muffin and I hate you. Okay, Archie, I'll leave you alone. You kind of need some time to calm down, don't you? I do not. I am not a child or a foal. Foals wail and cry, but supreme sport horses do not. Whatever you say, Archie. Hey, well done at the show. At least you placed. You got 3rd place. That's great. It was only a stupid purple ribbon, like the other one I won. Although that purple was 1st place. This one's 3rd, but I guess purple just really goes with my dove grey colour, You told Raspberry it was rose grey, you old liar. Oh, shut up, Missy. He doesn't need to know that my coat is dove grey, the most supreme colour. I mean, just look at me. I'm just beautiful. Look at me. Oh, I am just a fabulous horse. You are just a dandy. Tut tut. I'm off. I don't want to listen to dandies wailing about how amazing they are. And well done on placing lower than Raspberry. Oh my goodness, why are cats so annoying? I agree, I really hate cats. I know, right? Like, they've always got to drop these snide comments, and they always have to, sit on top of your stall, or sit on your back, or scratch at the stall while you're trying to sleep. It's so annoying. I know, and then they, mess up your hay bales in the paddock, and, run around between your legs, and you're worried you're going to crush. Oh my gosh, I totally understand that. Or, even worse, they plop themselves on the stable floor right when the people have got our saddles and are ready to come out and train us. And then the people just stop and go give their beautiful little cats all these pats and mooches and cuddles, and oh my gosh, it's so annoying. It's like, bro, can't you just get out of the stable and come ride us? Ugh. Oh my gosh, I know what that's like. Yeah, wait, why am I talking to you? Oh, we're enemies. Oh well, at least we got somewhere. We might not agree on everything, but at least we agree on the important stuff, like cats.